for South Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, North Central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11:45 a.m. At 11:09 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Honey Brook, or 9 miles southeast of New Holland, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Birdsboro, Honey Brook, Elverson, New Morgan, Glenmore, and Woodtown. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 298 and 308. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 1. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Chester.